Imagine this. You spend weeks learning a new AI tool that promises to change your life. It looks sleek, it sounds revolutionary, but after a few days, you realize it's clunky. The output is generic, and worst of all, it doesn't really solve your problem. Sound familiar? That's not your fault. Most AI tools out there are built to impress investors, not creators. A smart, faceless YouTuber doesn't waste time on random copywriting tools. This is how we beat the system together. They use ChatGPT with pre-tested prompt systems to generate scripts. Then they plug it into ElevenLabs for voice. CapCut or Runway handles the edit, the thumbnails, Mid-Journey plus Canva templates, and then it's all organized in Notion or Trello. That's not a tool stack, it's an automation engine. And that's how you scale without burning out. If your process is broken, AI will just break it faster. But if your workflow is optimized, AI will take you 10x further with half the effort. So stop chasing magic tools, build magic systems. And that's why they're doomed to fail. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly why most AI startups are collapsing before they take off, and why smart creators are quietly building systems that actually make money. You think you need more apps, when in fact you need more clarity. Ask yourself, what is the outcome I want? More content? More revenue? More time? Then reverse engineer the simplest workflow that gets you there. Everything else is noise. Trust me, it's better to master 3 tools deeply than play with 30 that lead nowhere. No hype, no BS, just the real playbook. Have you noticed how 90% of these tools are just clones of each other with a different interface? That's because they're not built for you. They're built to raise funds. But while they pitch to investors, smart creators pitch to audiences. And like this video, so we can keep creating content that cuts through the noise. You're not just a viewer. You're part of the next wave of creators who actually get it. They focus on consistency, not novelty. That's the shift. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The AI gold rush has created a massive distraction. Everyone's trying to build the next ChatGPT clone, hoping to cash in on the hype. You need more focus, more automation, and more ownership of your creative machine. The future belongs to those who can think like architects, not technicians. So choose your stack wisely. Build once, scale forever. But the real winners, they're not building tools. They're building workflows. See, most tools are single-purpose products. They're flashy, they look cool, they give you a dopamine hit. But they're not built for scale. They're not built for publishing. Smart creators, on the other hand, use AI to produce at speed, to multiply their voice, and to dominate niches. They're not spending 10 hours testing prompts. They're spending 10 minutes deploying proven templates. Big difference. They do one thing: generate images, write emails, make thumbnails, but they don't integrate into your life as a creator. You're left with a bunch of disconnected outputs that don't talk to each other. You know what that means? More friction, more chaos, more time wasted. Let me make this clear. Tools don't make you productive. Systems do. The smartest creators today are not chasing the newest AI gimmick. They're optimizing their creative flow from idea to upload. That's where AI shines. Not in isolated apps, but in full-stacked workflows that reduce your mental load. While 90% of creators are out here trying every new shiny app, the 10% who win are designing repeatable machines. Machines that run in the background. Machines that turn ideas into assets daily. And that brings us to a painful but necessary distinction. Consumer AI versus creator AI. Most AI tools are designed for consumers. Let me give you an example. Quick pause. If you're refinding value in this video and want to stay ahead of the curve with real AI strategies, not hype, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and drop a like. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Overchoice. Too many tools, too little strategy. And don't get me started on the copycat problem. Listen, AI is not here to save you. It's here to amplify what's already working. Let me wrap this up with one final truth. You don't need more AI tools. And if this hit home, here's what you can do right now. Smash the subscribe button. Activate the bell. I'm Arbasi, the voice behind AI and ambition, and I'll see you in the next chapter.